Today's financial leaders are taking on more responsibilities. They're not just in charge of financial direction of the company, they're managing their own financial teams, partnering across the C-suite and all departments, and working hand in hand with the CEO to shape the organization's people strategy and its future in the digital world. In today's session, we're going to take a look at the ways finance jobs have expanded, especially as the work world has changed over the past several years. Specifically, we'll talk about how you can set the tone for your career and role, the importance of focusing on relationships, and the role that embracing technology can have in advancing your career.
I was appointed as part of the audit committee of my local school district, served several terms on that, and I learned a lot of transportable skills from that experience and met some great people as well. Ralph, soft skills are so important. In addition to those skills that are listed here, I would also emphasize communication skills, critical thinking, and the ability to balance a big picture perspective with a sufficient level of detail. Also, be sure to consider your audience and communicate at the level appropriate for the people in the business who may not speak finance as their first language. With that said, I think it's clear we see digital transformation efforts accelerating in many companies, especially as we continue to navigate through disruptions to work and life, like talent shortages and illness outbreaks, which we've all lived through recently, that are very prevalent these days. Topics like remote work, virtual teams, paperless transaction processing, and many others have and will become more of the new normal. Finance plays a key role in helping their companies prepare and exploit the opportunities digital transformation provides, and that will just continue.